Hello. Um, we're gonna be doing ray tracing in one weekend. And this is the website. I already set up some some PNG code because I don't want to work with TGA using STBimage right.h, and it might not be perfect right now, but we'll do it. So the first thing we have to do is we want an image like this. So we'll have to. I'm using C, by the way. This guy's using C++. So I'll have to kind of convert this. So first of all, we want the width to be 256. And this is going to be 256. And we don't need. So let's see. For in GA image equals image height. Um, we assume that zero is zero height is the top, I think, for PNG. So let's just see what we want. So we want the double R is going to be equal to double wait right alright, I'm gonna move that here. So we want double image double the width, right? And I think this is like a C++ thing. Divided by the image divided by the width, right? Minus 1. And then we're not going to do this in one weekend because I am slow. But we'll do it eventually. And I've never done ray tracing before. Kind of just some guy told me about it, so I'm doing it. Alright, now we want the height divided by height minus 1, right? And then B is according to this person 0.25. And then we'll just do my god, bro. Twitch just scared me. Alright. So we want okay, so we want R to be equal to R 55 times R. This is a character, right? And this is probably not going to work, but I'm going to try. And then I think this is width, height, 4. Okay. So now let's run it. Okay. And now I will to open a new folder, and we have the egg.png generated. And this did not work out so great. Kinda failed miserably. We are supposed to have this. So I did not do my job right. Let's see what we gotta do here. What does static cast mean? Pretty sure it's just regular cast, right? Pretty much. Basically casts. So basically something miserably terrible has happened, and I don't know what it is. It could be that we're not putting the right data into this function. could be that we are not calculating this right, although we are, so that should not be an issue. So it's probably this type of stuff. I'm going to try and look into this and see what is actually happening. Right. In fact, I'm going to break here and see. What happens. I'll actually do two right there. What the heck? Okay, no. Yeah, okay. Why is it stopping? Am I, do I just not know what I'm doing? That's, I don't know what I'm doing, dude. Okay. Well, that was interesting. There's a ton of crazy warnings. I don't know what I'm doing. Um, yeah. I am, this looks fine, right? This would be fine. That should be fine. This should be fine. Let's try. Let's try this. Just do what it basically says in the thing, right? 155.999 times R. And we'll just. Oh, I'm debugging. I don't want that. Oh, and I debugged and I didn't even do what I wanted to do. Alright, whatever. G. B. Alright. So now we should probably see what's going on up in here. Right? So this should be IR. However, it's character, right? This is a character. IG. I wish that this guy would explain his code a little bit better. Or maybe I'm just completely stupid. Probably I'm completely stupid. Let's see how this works. It doesn't. This is so confusing. It looks like it's on the right track. I don't think that the stride is correct. Like, uh, alright. Right. Doubt that would have fixed it. Width and height. Stride. Let's see the documentation for this. Stride and bite. Right. Well, oh, yeah. Stride and bytes times size of RGBA. Right. That might have something to do with it. Still getting the same chopped up image. Why? It's a good question. Looks like it gets cut off right here. What if we don't minus by 1? Alright. That did not do anything. Am I even editing the right image? Like, I don't feel like I am. Let's see. Alright. Looks like we got it. Yeah. Except for that edge case, right? That's obviously because of this, right? I don't subtract. Alright. Now, not even going to debug. Oh, God. Yeah, okay, well. Maybe I shouldn't break my thing. Alright. Control F5. Right. This is the new one, indeed it is. It's not the new one. Let's see, why is that? Why is this? Why is this a thing? This edge is messed up. It's also not in the right orientation. Right orientation. And I think I know why. Because flip. Because we should probably do this, right? Flip vertical true. Identifier true is not found. You know what I'm going to do real quick? Going to add the new thing called types.h, and I'm going to get this. This is my types.h file, right? And I'm going to actually add type def true, or type def, or no, this would be define. Alright, and this is going to go up on the front, the top. Hashtag define true as 1. Define false as 0. Right. Now we have this guy here. So now I can use my thing that I want. Alright. I'm actually going to edit this. And include the new changes that I made. Right. Nice. We have a similar result, right? The only difference is we have a little bit of an edge case here that needs to be solved. Otherwise, it's an identical image, which is nice. But let's go fix the edge case, I guess, in 1 second. First, I have to, oh my god, bro, we don't reset that. Gotta get out of here. Alright, so I'm just gonna be taking a 1 second break for a second. Alright, so we're back here. I gotta figure out why there's an edge case right here. Alright, I'm back. Now let's go figure out what the heck is happening here. Right. So we're minusing by 1. Let's analyze the image real quick. Hey. So, for some odd reason, we have a very weird chunk here that we need to figure out what's going on. Right. And then we have this, it's almost as if it's like a vertical chunk right here. And it kind of wrapped around over to here. So I'm going to take let's make a small little guess here. Let's try maybe removing this. Right. And then -1, right? Let's try. What am I doing? Oh, yes. Let's see if that affects the image. No, it doesn't. So, another guess that I might have about this is if we put this back, it's one off, 1 pixel off, right? Which, by the way, RGBA is just a regular struct. It's a 4-byte struct. So, I'm trying to see if, Alright, well, let's try and finish this off here quick. Thinking maybe this might be the issue. Maybe this is the issue. So let's see. That was the issue. So we have a perfect image of what this book has been trying to do, right? No, okay. Whatever. Let's see. Right. It's the exact same thing as in the video, or the thing. So we went through okay, well, my computer is having a stroke right now. Okay. Alright. Oh, reset. So, I've already read through overview number 1. Already read through all this. We're not using the PPM format, we're using PNG. Because I do not really, I don't know, I just don't want it. And so, just feel like it's better. We have, we've done this. We're using C, not C++. So we had to do some things different. But overall, it's pretty good. I like C more than C++. So, yeah. And then we exported our PNG, just like the thing. Now, next thing we would be doing, we'd be moving on to here, and the Vec3 class, right? Vec3 class, which probably for me would be a simple struct. I don't need all this fancy stuff, right? Although, yeah, I'll just make a simple struct. No, not really into doing these kind of crazy stuff. It's, crazy large functions or classes, but I will be doing that, and yeah, that should be we'll be going hopefully through number 3, the Vec3 class, next time. It appears no one has watched the stream besides one person. Alright, well, that's good. I am going to have to end the stream now. So in conclusion, we started with the STB image, and we made a 256 by 256 image, just like the video. I already had this iterative thing here. We had to flip vertically for the PNG to write good, and we use STBI write PNG. STBI is an amazing library, and yeah, that's pretty much it, right? That's basically it. Not took me way longer than it should have, but I don't stream. This is new, and yeah, and I also had to try and convert from C++ to C, and I'm pretty not smart, so I have to take my time with that. But yeah, I guess that's it.